In this tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline your development workflow by coding HTML and Tailwind CSS using Wispr flow snippets. I'll start by opening the Wispr flow dashboard and navigating to the Snippets tab on the left-hand menu to manage my shortcuts. To create a new reusable component, I'll click the Add New button in the top right corner of the interface. I'm going to name this specific snippet code, so it's easy to trigger whenever I'm working. In the expansion field, I'll paste a comprehensive block of HTML code, which includes specialized Tailwind CSS utility classes, image sources for avatars, and detailed SVG icons for a professional UI design. Once I've verified the code is correct, I'll click Add Snippet to save it to my personal library. Now, let's see the magic happen by switching over to the Tailwind Play editor in my browser. I'll click into the HTML panel and begin commanding my prompt. I say, code. Watch as Wispr Flow instantly expands that simple input into the full, complex code block we just created. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the immediate visual result. A beautifully styled testimonial card featuring a user avatar, a 5-star rating, and perfectly formatted text for Sarah Jenkins. By using these snippets, I can bypass hours of repetitive typing and build out high-quality website components in just a few seconds. This workflow allows me to focus on the design logic while the tool handles the heavy lifting of the syntax. It's a perfect way to maintain speed and consistency across all my web development projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.